Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my Chanel unicorn reveal. Yes, finally, I know I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me to hurry up. So if you watched my last video, I did a Chanel triple unboxing and I did not reveal this beauty because I felt like the video was getting a little bit too long, so I kind of cut her out, but also because I feel like this stunning piece needs its own, very own spotlight. So I'm gonna reveal. And I definitely have to eat my words with this piece, and you will see why. Dun, 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 dun. For you Chanel fans out there, you will know immediately what this is. It's from the 20A collection. This is very uncharacteristic of me, but you guys know I've been looking for a pop of color. Oh. So this is the 2.55 reissue style wallet on chain walk. Yes. And it is the rainbow goat skin. This is goat skin, and it's got like the aged crinkly look with the beautiful, beautiful rainbow colors. I actually saw 5 of these in the boutique. This one was very special. It was actually showcased in the glass kind of like container in the back of the store, and when I saw this, like every other one that I saw, I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty, but this one, when I saw it, my jaw dropped. So for those of you who are familiar with this piece here, it comes in the mini flap as well, and I think maybe a couple of other sizes, but I didn't want this. I didn't want this. I'm not going to lie. It's not like I went looking for this. I actually thought that the rainbow pieces were just too loud, too childish, too colorful for my taste. I thought they were pretty as eye candy from a distance, but nothing I would ever spend my money on. But I said that all before I actually saw these pieces in person. I had only seen photos and videos before, and I have to say, absolutely, these do not show up well on camera. You have to see it in person, and you have to see if there's one that speaks to you, especially because, like I said, I saw a handful of these, and they're all different colors, all different combinations, and none of them really stood out. I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty, that's cute, and I just kept walking until I saw this one in the glass case, and my jaw dropped to the floor, and my SA looked at me and she laughed because she knew it was over at that point. So it's got this beautiful ombre with the pinks and the gold and the blue. The other pieces that I saw had different shades. I loved that the blue was right under here, and then if you open it up, look at this. How stunning is this? Again, I'm really eating my words because I thought this was so highly overrated and so just unnecessary, but now that I hold it in my hands, I feel like I'm holding a piece of art. And that's what this really is. It's like a piece of art. Look what they did with it. It's so gorgeous. This is totally my unicorn, my one and only. And like I said, I have been smitten. I've just been staring at this piece. This is the only bag that I don't store in its dust bag. I actually store her, well, I place her on my dresser just like this so I can see her as soon as I wake up. And it's got the beautiful 2.55 original chain. This is in the light gold champagne hardware, which I think is so pretty and easy to match with. And a lot of people had raved about the reissue chain being super comfortable and also super intricate and elaborate. If you can see up close, the detailing, especially right in that middle chain here, is so absolutely stunning. And I don't own any of the reissue styles in my collection, and I probably am done with this one because this one checks a lot of boxes for me. I got the original 2.55 style with the chain of the, with the Mademoiselle lock. And I've got the pop of color I'd been talking about for so long. With this, because it's pops of colors, I don't think I need another pop of color at all. If I ever feel like being bold and fun and colorful, I'll just grab this piece. And it's not too loud because it's small, in my opinion. So I have not taken the stickers off yet. Once you take the stickers off, it's like a really shiny gold, which is very pretty. But for now, since I haven't worn her out, I've left the stickers intact so it looks a little bit more matte. So here you've got the zipper pull. It's the older style zipper pull with the leather tab versus the metallic tab, or the hardware, but I'm fine with that. Actually, the other wallet on chains that I have now, they all have the zipper pull like this, which is totally fine. You have the nice organization with the card slots. You've got the main open compartment. I will be putting a base shaper. I'll probably just take it out of my other walk and put it in. The base shapers are complete game changers in my opinion when it comes to these pieces, because it will open it up like so and make it really look quite nice. It will retain the structure, and it'll also make it easier for you to put your items in and take them out. But here you have an open slot. I've always said this about the wallet on chains. I know that they sell them as small leather goods, SLGs, but I use this as a purse. I do not use this as a wallet ever. Look at the organization. In such a small piece, they've really packed in the compartments, which I love. And I'll just show you here some tags. I had mentioned that this is from the 20A collection, whoops, and it is a 30 series. And this one here retailed for $2,900 plus tax. And so it's a little bit more expensive than the classic walks. So let me just show you. I have become somewhat like a walk collector, walk lady, which was not my intention. You guys know if you've been here before, I try not to duplicate, and I haven't duplicated any of my bags until very recently. And so I had mentioned in my last video where I did the triple unboxing, I think that I have absolutely reached purse piece and have probably gone borderline purse excess. So I'm doing a little bit of tidying and curating of my collection. So you'll see what I mean. I have this walk, and then here's my original classic walk, which is in the black caviar with the silver hardware. I've got the snap closure because it's the older model, and then you have the zipper pull here. And I do have the base shaper. So it, as you can see, it's quite nicely open. And then this one here I revealed in my last video. This is the beige filigree walk that I'm really, really enjoying. Slightly different style, no pocket in the back. Also no pocket in the back. Oh no, wait, what am I saying? There is a pocket in the back of the 2.55 version. And of course in the classic as well, there's the back pocket. We all know that. But in the filigree, on the walk, there's no back pocket, which is okay. I don't mind. I love this color combination. Again, champagne gold hardware. This is the only one that I have with the magnetic closure. Obviously, the Mademoiselle has the turn lock, which is super fun. And then again, the zipper pull, and then the inside of this one is black. So I am a walk lady at the moment. I've got 3 and I love them all. This one here is the most stunning to the eyes, though, I have to say. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're not familiar with the wallet on chains, I'll just give you a quick size reference. Here is a popular piece. This is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Mine is in the Damier Ebene. So let me just show you in terms of reference. Some people say, how could you wear the wallet on chain? It's so small. Well, if you know me and you've been on my channel before, then you know that I don't pack a lot. I'm quite a minimalist in terms of what I carry. It's just my daily essentials, my phone, my keys, and a card holder or a small wallet. And that's pretty much it. Maybe a tiny pack of hand wipes or sanitizer, and that's it. So that's how it sits. If this is opened up a little bit with the base shaper, you'll have a little bit more space here, as you can see, to put something else, maybe coin purse or flat card holder or what have you, and the phone. Sometimes I put my phone up here. There's plenty of space. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. It's an older model, but it's quite large and it does fit. So I wanted to give you that reference in case you're timid about the size. If you carry a lot on a daily basis, then no, the wallet on chain is going to be too compact and mini for you. But since I prefer smaller, lighter bags, I think these are actually really perfect for my wardrobe and my daily life. So yeah, and then the chain lengths are all tiny bit different, I've noticed. And this one here is quite long on me. All of the wallet on chains are quite long unless you're super model tall. I'm about 5 feet 5.5 inches, and it hits slightly below my hip versus at my hip. I did post a mod shot wearing this recently on my Instagram, but what I did was, you might see like, oh, it hit you perfectly right at your hip. That's because I doubled it up. So what I do is I just crisscross it like so, and then it makes it shorter, and that is how I intend to wear the rainbow as well. crisscrossed and maybe one shoulder. You can also triple it up and have it as a short chain strap, which is really, really pretty. I tried that in the boutique. It looked super chic, super fun for evening. And also I bought these little clips that you can use to hold the chains together on the inside if you don't want to do the wrapping effect. So for example, instead of wrapping it around, you might just take the chain and sort of clip some of it inside. I haven't tried it yet because I need my husband's help. He needs to unscrew something, and then we got to play around with it a little bit, but that was recommended to me. So you've got multiple options. I will say that the wallet on chain, again, if you're okay with the compact size, is a highly versatile piece. You can tuck the chain in all the way and just use it as a little clutch, like so. Or you can, like I said, wear it on your shoulder, crossbody, double it up, triple it up. It has lots of ways that you can style it. So yes, I am duplicating. Yes, I am keeping them all. I'm super, super happy with my walk collection. I keep saying like, I think I'm done, and then I keep seeing other things, but for sure I am done, at least for this year. We're already into September. That doesn't give me a whole lot of time. It's only a few more months, but I am done. And you guys know, if you saw my IG stories, I am also cleaning house and selling some bags. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of luxury content, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye bye.